in a family vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. With your support, I got 1K subscribers. Thank you so much. Today is Independence Day special video. I'm going to show you how to make jar cake. Okay, let's go to kitchen. Happy Independence Day! We require Maida, baking powder, oil, vanilla essence, cocoa powder, sugar, food colors, vinegar, milk, egg, color and whipped cream powder. First we will make whipping cream. I am using whipping cream powder. To make whipping cream, pour 100 ml chilled milk. Now beat well. See, the whipping cream is ready. Now keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now we will make the cake. Take a bowl and put 2 eggs. Now add vanilla essence. Add sugar. Beat well. Now take another bowl and sieve Maida. Put baking powder also. Add oil. Now again beat well. Gradually add Maida. Beat well. Gradually add milk. Now mix like this. The batter should be like this. I divided the batter into 4 portions. Add the color that you like. To add color, take little bit cocoa powder, add 1 drop vinegar and color. Now add this mix to 1 portion. Mix well. Repeat the same process for other portions. Add colors of your choice. Heat the pan and grease some oil. Pour the batter. Now close with the lid. Cook in medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. The green color cake is ready. Now we'll make red color. The red color is ready. Now pour the next color. Now orange color is ready. Now I'm making a plain color. I'm using this type of jar. Now we'll cut with the lid. Fill the piping bag. Now put in the jar. Pour sugar syrup. Now put the next layer. Apply sugar syrup. Now apply cream. My jar cake is ready. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.